Multiply 7.81 by 10 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 7 is 7. The second partial product is 7,810. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 0 plus 1 is 1. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 8 is 8. In the thousands column, bring down 7. The product of the whole numbers is 7,810. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 7,810 becomes 78.10. That is simply 78.1. So 7.81 times 10 is 78.1.